The 2025 Audi A5 is here, and it's not what you might expect. Gone are the coupes and convertibles. In their place, a sleek, tech-packed sedan that quietly replaces the A4 while stepping up to challenge BMW and Mercedes head-on. Let's break down what makes this all-new A5 such a compelling entry into the premium sedan segment. First, the numbers. Starting at $47,200, the 2025 A5 delivers more of everything. More space, more tech, and more presence. It's longer, wider, and taller than before, giving it a bold stance that feels more executive than entry-level. Under the hood, there's more variety than you might expect. The base engine is a 2-liter turbo with 148 horsepower, hitting 0 to 62 miles per hour in 9.8 seconds. Step up to the 201 horsepower version, and you're down to 7.8 seconds, right in line with the BMW 320i. But the sweet spot? That's the 268 horsepower version paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system and Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive. Step inside, and Audi goes full concept car with production-ready polish. The star of the cabin is the new curved glass cockpit. You get an 11.9-inch digital cluster, flowing seamlessly into a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen. And in top trims, the front passenger gets their own 10.9-inch display, making the cabin feel like a tech lounge on wheels. Comfort and space have improved dramatically. The stretched wheelbase means real legroom for rear passengers, finally fixing one of the A4's long-standing weaknesses. And with 26 cubic feet of trunk space, it's now one of the most practical sedans in its class. It's fast, refined, and responsive, exactly what you'd want in a premium daily driver. Prefer diesel? Audi offers a 201 horsepower TDI model that gets to 62 miles per hour in 7.7 seconds, matching Mercedes C220 diesel for efficiency and performance. Tech features that were optional just a few years ago, now standard. Wireless charging, built-in navigation, and a power liftgate all come included. Opt for the Premium Plus trim, and you'll enjoy a Bang & Olufsen sound system that turns your commute into a concert hall. Looking ahead, Audi plans to introduce plug-in hybrid variants with up to 60 miles of electric range, nearly double what many competitors currently offer. Of course, the competition isn't sitting still. The BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe and Mercedes C-Class both bring serious refinement, but the new A5 blends Audi's signature precision with a forward-looking design that feels fresher than both. Pricing ranges from $47,200 to around $57,000 for a fully loaded prestige model. That puts it squarely in the premium sweet spot, offering cutting-edge tech and everyday usability, wrapped in Audi's unmistakable style. Is it perfect? Not quite. US buyers might wish for more engine choices, especially compared to the broader European lineup. And yes, prices have crept up, but in return, you get a car that feels miles ahead of its predecessor. The 2025 Audi A5 isn't just a new chapter, it's a full rewrite. It's elegant without being flashy, packed with tech without being overwhelming, and practical without feeling plain. And honestly, isn't that exactly what a modern luxury car should be? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.